Welcome back to my channel. Today you guys are going to spend the day with me. I have literally been working the past 7 days straight. 7 days straight. I have been so tired when I get home, so I haven't had a chance to clean the apartment. So I do need to clean the apartment today, and we're gonna do some shopping. So we are gonna do some shopping together today, but I have to wait until my boyfriend gets home because we are still currently sharing a car. Yeah, it's going to be a fun day. I got a whole bunch of new accessories for my Osmo, so hopefully it's going to make vlogging while I'm shopping and going out and stuff like that a whole lot easier. And yeah, I'm not gonna post an entire cleaning routine on here just because my last video was kind of me all cleaning the apartment. But if you do want to see the full thing, make sure you head over to my TikTok account. Let's get into this apartment reset. I had to turn my mic on because the laundry's going in the back, but for New Year's, my grandma got me and my boyfriend an espresso machine. I'm so excited about this. Let me put it down because this shit's heavy. If you don't know, I used to work at Starbucks as a barista for 2 years, way years back. I love me some coffee. I like the sugar part of it, aka the flavor, more than the coffee, but it gives me the energy that I need. She got us the DeLonghi espresso machine. It was at Target. I think it was like $111, $119 or something like that. So I told my boyfriend, I said, don't touch it. It's been sitting in the corner of our living room for about 4 days now, 3 or 4 days. I said, do not touch it. Wait until I am off from work so that I can set her up and just do it in peace and not be rushed. So we finally get to set her up. The only problem that I'm having is we do not have a lot of counter space, as you can tell. I'm still in the process of cleaning, but I really don't have anywhere over here to put it either since it's open and I feel like it would just look weird on one of these counters. So really my only options are this corner or this corner over here. So I'm gonna set it up over here first and see how I like it there. If not, we'll just figure it out. Okay, she is all set up. I think I do like it in this corner. It is pretty small, so it doesn't take up too much space. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. So I definitely like it in this corner. I think I'm gonna keep it there. I did kind of wanna have like an actual coffee corner, but it's fine. I think I'll just leave the espresso machine out and then maybe add like 1 or 2 things on top. But for the most part, this drawer down here, we don't use for anything. So I think, not the crumbs. Anyways, but I think for the most part, I'm gonna just keep all of the things that I get for the machine in this bottom drawer, which is right under it. So it kind of works out. I was just cleaning my vanity, but I did also get a package in the mail last night when I came home from work. So we're gonna open it together. I already know what it is, and I'm so excited for this because in my last video, I was talking about how this year I want to try to learn to love myself with my natural lashes, except I have no natural lashes. So I got this from Babe Lash. I've actually partnered with them before, like I think like 2 or 3 years ago, and they had sent me one of their lash serums. This is like when they first like came out whenever I partnered with them. They actually sent me another lash serum now that they are big and in business. It's a 3-month supply. The packaging definitely had a major upgrade since the last time I've used them. But I'm so excited to try this. I'm not gonna try it today though because I literally just did my lashes last night before I went to work. I'm gonna let these lashes go however long they go, and once I'm ready to swap them out, then I'm gonna start using this lash serum. So it obviously came with the lash serum. It says real results in 4 to 12 weeks. I didn't know that they came out with a hair serum too. I'm gonna have to try that because yeah. So anyways, let me open it. Okay, it's super thin. Hold on. It's super thin, which is good because I really don't want this in my eyeballs because been there, done that. It burns like a bitch. But this is actually the only lash serum that I have ever used because I've tried this one, I've tried the Ordinary one, and I've also tried, what's the other one? It's like a big brand. I can't remember the name of it, but The Ordinary one didn't do anything for me. The other big name brand literally burnt my eyeballs. Like my eyes had like a glass over them anytime I used it. Like I would go to work and my actual eyeballs were like, they're already blue, but it for some reason made them like the ocean blue. Like you would think that I had some sort of fucking superpowers coming out of my eyeballs, and my eyes were just super glassy. It was really weird, and it just irritated my eyes in general. So I'm so excited to be trying this again. And like I said, it's a 3-month supply, so I should be good for the next 3 months. Obviously, I will keep you guys updated on how that is going. Here's to our Natural Lash Journey 2025. Oh, no, that's like the whole other side of California. They're so cutesy. Look at mine. Wait. Yeah, I've had these press-ons on for about 2 weeks now, and the thumbs are not cooperating with me whatsoever. I literally had to band-aid one down. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Pumpkin spice latte. Espresso chai latte. They have a matcha. And you're like, mind your fucking business. Shut up. Not the Ferrero. Ferrero? Ferrero? How you just said that. Oh, you watch Reagan, right? Have you seen how she posts how she goes to that Phil's Coffee all the time? They have it. But I don't know if they have it here. I haven't seen it here. I don't think you can ship alcohol, period. Trying to find the stuff to make sugar cookie syrup at home for my iced coffees with my new espresso machine. I'm missing one of the ingredients. It says butter extract, so I think I'm gonna have to order that online.
You a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Blood in